Take a spoonful of this every morning and watch what happens to your body in 55 minutes. Is incredible. Coffee is considered a miracle food, and science has shown that its components bring substantial health benefits. In addition to being very tasty, the benefits of coffee make this spice an alternative remedy of great value. Coffee is a seasoning with gratifying aroma and flavor. And it is not only a spice, but an ingredient that greatly benefits our health. What happens to your body after taking a spoonful of coffee powder? After taking a spoonful of coffee powder, after 55 minutes, this is what happens to your body. 1. The growth of cancer cells and the formation of blood vessels in tumors is reduced. 2. We get more energy and we avoid the exhaustion, revitalizing our organism. 3. Your body responds to insulin more effectively and regulates blood sugar levels. 4. It favors the correct digestion of the food and the intestinal discomfort is alleviated. 5. An anticoagulant effect occurs and improves blood circulation. 6. We receive a calming effect, especially for arthritis pains. 7. It prevents the proliferation of bacteria in food. 8. Prevent heart disease and improve colon function. 9. Reduce and combat the proliferation of cancer cells in our body. How to use the coffee powder? Each morning add a spoonful of coffee powder, a lemon juice, juice of any fruit, a cup of milk or a cup of tea. You can also add a tablespoon of coffee powder to a spoonful of honey. Finally, the important thing is that you add that spoonful of coffee powder to your daily diet and you will improve your health in unimaginable proportions.